Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select Wallpaper tab, it's right here, agree, and now just pick the album from which you would like to choose this wallpaper. So it's gonna be one from your local photos, recently used, pre-installed, live wallpapers, or even online wallpapers. Group into categories, and these are all wallpapers, live wallpapers, categories in general, right here, or new for you. So let me choose categories, and for example we can pick music, and here you've got all the options, and we can choose for example this one. Now you can crop it and then tap on apply. Finally decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, your home screen only, or maybe both of them, and I would choose both. And this is it, that would be all. As you can see, from now on you've got brand new wallpaper, and also your lock screen is covered with this new picture. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.